Yo, what's up guys? Today I'm going to make a quick and easy tutorial for Zendesk. So first off guys, we're just gonna click on take Zendesk for a spin. Wait a few seconds and let's register right here guys. So let's just do this. It's really easy, you just have to enter your email and make sure it's the right email and you don't make any grammar mistakes. Let's say that our first name is Ned, our last name is Tech, our phone number is this one, and our company is called NetTech. How many employees are there in NetTech? Let's say that there are 5,000 plus. And we use English. Also, last but not least, let's create a password. Here it is guys. Just wait a few seconds and it shall load up. Here is it. Please verify our Gmail. Right here guys. I did open my Gmail just for that. Here is it. Our account. So is it this though? Oh no, here is it. So this was on the right thing that I got. Just this link that I opened was the right one. So wait a few seconds, let's wait a few seconds and it did load up. So here is it guys. Have you ever set up a customer support solution? Let's say that we're new to this. We would like people to chat with us. That we would like to help customers. Fortune agents will use Zendesk and we plan to launch as soon as possible. Here is it guys. Just enter these things and you shall be in the site in no time. So first off, you're given a free tutorial, but we won't do that. Just let's just close these things and start. Okay. So first off, we can set up our account, our ticketing system, our agent productivity and all those things. But we won't do that, we're just gonna look at our dashboard. We can add a ticket. We can add a ticket, a user, or organization, search, or anything you would like to do. So first let's add a ticket. The ticket is for, let's say, a Michael Jordan. The subject is I have trouble making account in YouTube. So after that you can submit it, provide a description. You can also we can tag someone, like maybe add me, Ellie, or add the customer. And for users, so we can also assign the assignees for whom followers, which are the tags, what is the priority and what is the type. Let's just submit it. A ticket description, so let's provide a ticket description. The description is please help me, I'm new. So that's our ticket, and we can submit it. Here is it. So this is ticket that they have given us. This here is it. The assigned ticket given to us. Simple ticket, made the ticket. It is from the customer, and it says, "Hi there, I'm sending an email because I'm having a problem setting up our new product. Can you help me troubleshoot? Thanks, the customer." So we can now we can apply macro. We can say that the customer is not responding. We can downgrade and inform, and here is it. Like we can just downgrade and inform, and so when we use macro, we can reply, "Just wait, we're currently experiencing unusually high traffic. We'll get back to you as soon as possible." And we're just gonna submit this. So why isn't it saving though? We can submit it as solved, pending, open, and new. We can also close the tab. Let's just do that. So guys, there are also paid plans here. Let me show them to you. So here it is, guys. This was just covering my screen. Here, let's compare the plans. Something went wrong. Okay. What happened though? Let's see. Zendesk pricing. Let me show it to you guys, because I don't really want to slow you guys down. I just want you to see this as quick as possible. So let's see. So the subscription can be paid monthly or annually, and we can save up money with the annual subscription. So as we can see, guys, the monthly subscription for the study team plan is $69 per month. The study growth version is $115 per month, and the study professional is $149 per month. As you can see, guys, this study enterprise edition has to be talked to the sales team. So guys, you have to talk to the sales team for the particular price, and don't worry, guys. So we can see that we can save money if we pay annually, and everything is alright. So I think that this was a good brief explanation for you guys. I wish you guys all a great day, and I'll see you guys around. Peace.